Is it possible to GPS tracking with just one Arduino child from an unlimited distance without the need for thousands of dollars equipment? Let's find an answer to this question together. Hey Maker, I am Burak. In this video, we will do an instant location tracking project using 6FAP's GPS GSM child. Let's move on the detail of the projects without waiting any longer. The product we need for these projects are one Arduino, one 6FAP GSM child, and one external antenna. First of all, let me talk a little bit about the working logic of our projects. When the module starts to work, it starts to communicate with GPS satellites. It obtains location data with maximum accuracy by connecting to more than one satellites. Then it transmits data to the GSM antenna, and it's connected thanks to the SIM card on it. This information can be sent or received via this antenna. It can also be connected to the internet, and its data can be shared on internet. The part where I answer more detailed question about the module is at the end of the video. I suggest those who are serious to watch it until the end. Let's take a look at the above and take out our module. The big integrated on the part that first catches my eye, as you can see from its size. This part does most of the work. Besides, we have a built-in GSM antenna and a micro SIM slot. Next to it, I would like to mention this integrated circuit located next to the socket. The voltage coming from this integrated circuit, it prevents it from entering the SIM card and damaging it. So it's a small but important structure. When we go down to the bottom, a small integrated welcomes us. This integrated performs our GPS operation. There is an extra user button and power button. For more detailed information, you can check the GitHub page. Now that we have enough technical knowledge, we can now move on to how to use it. We need an Arduino board for this. We have to attach the child to the Arduino and connect it to our computer. There is a special library written for this child. You need to download the necessary library to your computer by going to the link I left below. A very useful library. In this way, it will protect you from mistakes and complex line of code while making your project. We will run off the example in this library and test it together. As you can see, our child has started to work. We have created a code for these projects. The important lines are also with comments, one by one. I explained this so that you can understand and modify the code more easily. Now, we can transfer our code to our card. As you can see, the process has started and the code has been successfully uploaded to our Arduino. Now, we go to an open area to test.
As you can see, I placed the module in the car. Our driver will move away a little now. We will try to follow his position on the phone after he goes away. I expected him to go away a little further. He needs to get out of our site. During this time, I will show you how it's work on the phone. I open the phone number and this I will send a comment to the number saying, "Where are you?" Now I am throwing my comment. We will wait for a while to get the correct location. As you can see, a Google link came. We click on it and look at it. We can see its location while returning from here. Now we can go back to our studio.
In this video, we examine the 6FAP GSM GPS child, which can be used with Arduino in general if I needed to comment. A shield that works stably and provides easy use with library and component structure has been a very good product for developer. Are there technical information and libraries? It has a very simple and useful library written by 6FAP team, so you can realize your projects without any difficulty. How is the shooting quality of antenna? Thanks to the external antenna output, You can connect and use any kind of antenna what you need. How detailed can you detect and location? It is possible to reach the most accurate result with this module, which is among the module that give the most accurate result with small power. What kind of projects can I do with this card? With this card, you can perform many projects, such as vehicle management, security system, vehicle tracking, and smart parking, and etc. We have come to the end of our video. Thanks to Emre Konca from Arduino News for the inspiration of these projects. If you like the video, don't forget to press the like button and to press the bell icon to be instantly informed about the video. You can find everything I mentioned in the description section. Take care and until the meet in the next video.
Samurai sword on my back.